is this? Is this from you? This is not from you?
Sweetie.
So I got a box from mail. I don't know what is this. And who sent this to me? Maybe my husband. I'm gonna unbox this. I don't know what is this. Kind of heavy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is this from you?
What?
It's a happy birthday. Oh, it's... Oh my God. My friend from New York.
See?
Is he oh? Oh my God. Look at that. Happy birthday from Marisa Rogers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, what is this? Oh my God. Look at the box. Sweetie, is that Benero, London?
London, England.
Look at that. Oh my God. It's my birthday today. Thank you.
It sure is, partner.
Can you read this? Let's do. Oh my God, sweetie. God, the box is so nice too. Wow. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Lifetime warranty. Wow, look at that. Come here, sweetie. You will like this, sweetie.
Hang on, I'm putting your stuff away.
Oh my God. What's on the box? I like the box. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Wow. She is really nice to me.
My bunkie. Those are nice. Yeah, the square bottom. Yeah, those are nice, sweetie. Very good.
Mhm. Oh my God. That's beautiful and heavy.
I saw those. Those are cool. They twist the glass before it cools. Pretty cool, man.
I like it.
Cool, man. Hey, man, that's cool, man. That's real cool.
Beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Resi. I did not expect this. This is really nice.
Hmm?
Wow, I received a birthday gift of my birthday.
Mm-hmm.
These are four. So 4 glass. Maybe it's the same, right, sweetie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, it's pretty. Look at the name. Benero, London.
Mm-hmm. That is very nice, sweetie.
Thank you. We have a whiskey glass added to our collection.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for this birthday gift.